squalene. Vitamin C, yes, it's vitamin C, it's vitamin C, vitamin A, it's vitamin A. Okay, vitamin I, glycolic acid. And you have to put your hyaluronic acid on top of that. You're going to mix your glycolic acid, because guess what? We're all about mixing and layering our skincare products, because we have to get the maximum results. Okay, yes, yes, nice and glowy, yes. Look at me.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about the glycolic acid, and I'm not going to tell you how effective it is. I'm going to be telling you what you shouldn't mix with the glycolic acid. I'm going to be telling you what you shouldn't use with the glycolic acid. I'm going to tell you some of the side effects of the glycolic acid. I'm going to tell you what is glycolic acid, what is alpha hydroxy acid, and what is beta hydroxy acid, and what you should mix with those acids. Okay, so if you want to see what I have to talk about, continue watching, because this is very important. If you're thinking about the glycolic acid, you need to know what it is before you actually put on your skin. Okay, so I have a little disclaimer, guys. I am not a medical, I don't practice medicine, I didn't study anything in medicine, I'm not qualified in that area any at all. I am just a user like you who is very curious and want really nice skin, because you know we're getting older and we want nice skin. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure you've seen my video, and if you haven't seen it, go and check it out, guys, to the right of your screen. I had a question from my previous video. The question was, should I or can I mix my serum? Can I add my serum right after I use the glycolic acid toner? And it really allowed me to really sit and think, like, maybe a lot of people want to purchase the glycolic acid toner, but they're thinking, can I use the glycolic acid with this? Is it too strong? Will it cause, you know, irritation and so forth? Or they're just confused about what acid they should mix with a toner like the glycolic acid. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to tell you about, guys, I'm going to tell you what the glycolic acid is. Okay, so I'm going to basically give you a definition. Glycolic acid is the smallest alpha hydroxy acid. It is used to brighten the skin. It is used to exfoliate the skin, so you can have that, you know, nice radiant look. Yes, so it's excellent for that. But what is a alpha hydroxy acid? An alpha hydroxy acid is an organic acid. It means that it comes from fruits. It comes from, yeah, food in general. So you have citric acid, that's also an alpha hydroxy acid. You have glycolic acid, AHA, also alpha hydroxy acid. You have lactic acid, that is from sour milk, and you have other acids. So the alpha hydroxy acid, it is water based, and the beta hydroxy acid, it's oil based. So that's beta hydroxy acid. Guys, I did my research for this. Okay, so I'm here to inform, to educate. Yeah, because you know that's my job. I'm a teacher, so I am basically educating. Yeah, that's my job. That's what I'm qualified to do. Yes, I'm a teacher by profession, not a nurse, doctor, medical practitioner, or any type of, yeah. Why do we use glycolic acid? We use glycolic acid to clear, to brighten, to do all of those stuff for the skin, so we can look nice and radiant. But guess what? Glycolic acid, it has side effects, especially if it's not used correctly. You can get redness, you can get irritation from the fact that you're using an acid on your skin. You can get swelling, you can get anything that is concerned or related to the skin. So you have to really be careful. And this leads me now into what we're going to be talking about. What not to mix with the glycolic acid. Okay, so I'm going to get straight into this. First and foremost, vitamin C. Vitamin C is an acid in itself, and it's very, very effective, and it's potent. It works well. Mixing a vitamin C serum with your glycolic acid is pointless. It is very, very pointless, because the vitamin C serum, it has a pH of 3, I think, up to 3, and the glycolic acid has a pH of 5. it's not going to be effective. The serum, the vitamin C serum, is not going to be as effective as it should, and then the glycolic acid together is just gonna cause problems. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so the next one is, should you mix retinol with your glycolic acid or your AHAs or BHAs? You should not mix retinol with your AHAs or your BHAs. The reason why you shouldn't mix it is retinol in itself is it's going to get rid of the top layer of your skin. It's going to renew your skin, rejuvenate, and get it, work, do what it should do, cause your skin to look glowy and to renew your skin. It's just continually renewing your skin, and it also allows your skin to be super sensitive. Retinol is not necessarily an exfoliant. Glycolic acid is an exfoliant. However, the glycolic acid is also renewing and removing dead skin. Retinol plus glycolic acid together doing the same thing, it's just going to cause your skin to be irritated, swollen, and anything that can cause a negative impact on your skin, and it's just going to reverse everything. You trying to take care of your skin, now you have to deal with all of that. So do not mix retinol with the glycolic acid. If you have to do those mixtures, you need to just consult your dermatologist, ask them if it's okay to do this and to do that. You just need to relax and use one thing at a time. If it doesn't work, try something else, pretty much. Okay, now the next one is, should you mix salicylic acid with glycolic acid? I would say, because salicylic acid, it targets acne prone skin, and it targets the pores and cleaning and getting everything out of the pores. It goes deep into the skin to get rid of acne. It helps with acne. So what I would say, if you're using salicylic acid, you can use, if you have acne prone skin, you can use the salicylic acid with the glycolic acid toner. However, you have to use it like every other day. Yes, I would suggest that. So for example, you tone like twice a week, use your salicylic salicylic wash maybe like 3 times every other day. So at least you're not overdoing it. You know what I'm saying? But using salicylic acid to wash your face and then glycolic acid to clean it's just too much. And also, like, salicylic acid is like oil based and glycolic acid is water based. So we're not going to do that. So try not to do that. Try to avoid using them too much. You can use them together, but just be careful to not use them right after each other. Okay, so the next one is, can you use like a physical exfoliant along with a glycolic acid toner? No, and it's pointless to do that, and you're just going to irritate your skin. One, the physical exfoliator, it's basically rubbing the top layer of your skin. It's trying to get rid of the dead skin. Glycolic acid now, it is penetrating deeper, I think, than the physical exfoliant, but it's also doing the exfoliating. So you're just doing too much exfoliating on the skin. So if you're over exfoliating, it can cause irritation. So you can get, your skin can be swollen, redness, and just all type of skin ailments, and we don't want that. We want a clear, beautiful skin, right? Now you shouldn't mix an oil base. Glycolic acid is water based. You cannot mix oil based products with water based products. Doesn't make any sense, and they won't work together. So it's not going to be, the glycolic acid is not going to be as potent as it should if you mix something that's oil based with it. You know what I'm saying? And it's just like common sense. You don't want to do that, pretty much. So those are the things that you shouldn't mix with glycolic acid. And if you want the effectiveness of this here, the glycolic acid, yeah, I would suggest using, for example, if you use this, you want to use like a moisturizer after. You can use your serums too. You can use a hyaluronic acid serum, yes, because the hyaluronic acid serum, it's not so, what do you say now, it's not as potent, so it's not going to prevent the glycolic acid from working. It's not going to prevent it from working. So you can go in with a hyaluronic acid if you want to replace the moisture to the skin, or any type of skin moisturizer with a little bit of hyaluronic acid, just nothing that is too much. Okay, so you want to ensure that you're not going overboard. So no. Yes, so you can use your creams, your moisturizers. Just ensure that your moisturizer is not like a brightening moisturizer, because if your moisturizer already has glycolic acid in it, it is pointless. You don't need to use this with your moisturizer that has that. It's just too much. Or if your skin or your face wash has glycolic acid in it, it's like you don't really need to use glycolic acid. You know what I'm saying? But sometimes, what I think, most times, like the skincare products that they have, or the face wash, they don't necessarily have 7% glycolic acid. You know what I'm saying? So this is why I prefer using glycolic acid itself, because I want the 7%. I want it to work on my skin. And guys, this is not for everybody. You have to try it on your skin, as I said before in my previous video, to see if it works on your skin. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, try something else. And if you're using the glycolic acid and you realize that, for example, if you have acne prone skin and you realize that it is not working to get rid of your acne, then maybe you should start using salicylic acid. So you can start using a salicylic acid wash. So when you use a salicylic acid wash, it helps to target the pores and those clogged areas and the oil and so forth, so you can get rid of that, and then this can be effective. And as I said before, you can use your salicylic acid, but don't use it like this and then every day. Don't use it like that. Use it like every other day. And if your skin is getting used to that, then you're fine. Next question is, can you use glycolic acid every day? You can, if it works for you. Yes, you can if it works for you, and if it doesn't cause your skin to be sensitive. Okay, so if you're using it properly and doesn't cause your skin to be sensitive, then I would say yes, you can use it every day. Okay, yeah, and that's pretty much it. If you want to learn or to know anything else about glycolic acid and its use and how to use it, then just let me know in the comment section, so I can make something else. I can do my research and prepare something else for you guys. So yeah, pretty much. Yes guys, so just be mindful that the glycolic acid, it should not be mixed with certain products. Just be careful. And if you want more information, guys, go to your dermatologist. Go and do some research. Find out what you think will work best for your skin. And yeah, and don't overdo it, guys. Don't overdo the exfoliating. Don't overdo the serums and all of that. Don't overdo it, pretty much. Okay, but guys, thank you so much for watching. A like, a subscribe, share, or let me know what you think, because we're all about skincare and I'm a work in progress. I have a lot of work to accomplish, but we're taking it one step at a time. There's no need to rush. It's like learning to fly or falling in love. It's gonna happen when it's not supposed to happen. Yeah, you know the song. Yeah.
Hello, it's me again. Tell a friend to tell a friend.